Hey Lindsay, this is Eddie with Multiman Services. Just got to your house here to do the on-site inspection for the gutter cleaning, screen install, and the house washing. We're good to go to get you new screens on here. Looks like the gutters are in good condition. They just need to be cleaned up and cleaned out. So there's a small haze of dirt and dinginess just under the soffits here. It probably just bellows. Let's move the camera proper here. All up in there. That'll be taken care of with my low pressure soft wash cleaning technique, and I'm gonna get all up in there, and all that nastiness is gonna be gone. This green algae and lichen that's starting to develop on the gutter will be rinsed off nicely. So we don't actually pressure wash houses. We do something called soft washing. We can safely and effectively clean your house from the ground with no brushing, no ladders, and no high pressure. It's all algicide, detergent-based process, safe and effective. So you'll be super happy with our work because we'll warranty it to stay green algae free for 2 years. So, and then we'll get those screens on there for you after we clean out the gutters. So this is all we do is exterior home maintenance. And I'm going to send you a photo of what our screens look like. The reason why I like the screens I supply, and I feel they're the best, is because they're called UltraFlow screens. And you never have to worry about not being able to clean out your screens or your gutter protection. A lot of times over time what will happen is people will call me and they'll want me to clean out their gutters, and the first question I usually ask is, do you have gutter protection or screens? And they tell me yes. So you can imagine that if somebody wants me to clean out their gutters and they already have gutter screens on their house, it's going to make my job really hard. But the reason why I like mine is because I can actually pressure wash over top of all the gutters with a special nozzle that allows me to flush out all the debris that may get under the screen and out the downspout here, and without having to remove the screen, because that would be costly to have me remove it and reinstall it. So essentially we're going to go ahead and put that screens on there, and maybe once every 3 to 5 years just have me come by and we'll pressure wash over the top of the screens and flush out any debris or grit that gets out of there. So another thing to consider along with the house wash and the gutter clean is a roof clean. You're starting to get some lichen and some moss growing on your shingles there. That's actually growing roots down in between the aggregate of your shingle, and you're seeing the black streaks there. So there's a few ways to go about getting your shingles clean. You can do like a wet and forget type treatment, where it will slowly work its way to, releasing all that dirt, that lichen and moss and algae, and your roof will come cleaner over time. Or we can use a bleach type treatment where your roof will come clean while we're here, the same day results. And then after we do that cleaning for you, I definitely suggest you do like a conditioning treatment to your roof along with a general roof tune-up. Roof maintenance is very important. It's what's protecting your entire asset of your home here. So this is what we specialize in, is roof maintenance and getting your roof cleaned, conditioned. At the end of this video, I'll include a brief video on why roofs today are ultimately prematurely failing and what you can do to extend the life of your roof. Let's go take a look at the other side of your roof. Well, the roof back here, can't really get a good look at it, but from what I can see from the ground, it looks like the roof on this side is in average condition. We're starting to get some shading or stuff growing over here because of the tree. But we can also do like a deck power wash for you. This can be a slip hazard if we don't get that washed. So let me know what you'd like to do after watching this video, and then I'll compile a quote for you. Thanks.
There is never a good day on your roof. Temperatures can climb to over 140 degrees, causing the roof to expand. Passing rain showers quickly cool the roof, creating rapid contraction, known as thermal shock. Your asphalt roof must remain flexible to withstand these extreme stresses. Oil within the asphalt allows for this flexibility. Depending on region, a roof begins breaking down between 7 and 10 years of age because the oil begins drying out of the asphalt, causing the roof to become increasingly brittle over time. With loss of flexibility, it starts to crack and begins slowly breaking apart, the same way cracks eventually turn into a pothole in an asphalt road. RoofMax is a 100% safe, all-natural food-grade oil. The spray-applied treatment quickly penetrates roof shingle, restoring flexibility and waterproofing protection. Each treatment is guaranteed to last 5 years and comes with a transferable warranty. And because RoofMax treatments are repeatable, a roof can be greatly extended past its expected life. Treatment is quick, clean, and very affordable. Get more life for less money, guaranteed with RoofMax, a powerful fusion of science and nature.